halide, their reaction with acid, their reaction with oxygen. Okay. Finally, when they form bases, yes, they can form bases, yes. Okay. Okay, they can form bases. Bases are ionic compounds which dissolve in water. Yes, ionic compounds. One, they are ionic compound. Yeah, they are metal oxide or metal hydroxide. You have to know this when we come to do acid and bases, okay, or metal hydroxide. So bases are metal oxide or metal hydroxides, okay. Now when the base react with water, they always form what? Always when base react with acid, they form what? Salt and water. This is a called, okay, salt and water. What do you call this type of reaction? It's called neutralization. Neutralization. Some people they put S here, okay? A neutralization reaction is where a base reacts with an acid and forms salt and water. Basic, fundamental size reaction. Okay? This is basic. You must know this. Anybody who do O-level chemistry must know this. When bases react with an acid, they form salt and water. Example is here. Let's say the most common base is sodium hydroxide. When it reacts with an acid, let's say sulfuric acid, it gives you a salt. A salt is group 1 sulfate. Okay? What do we put here? I'll let you find out. That will be our last part of our discussion here. What do I put here? Is this correct? Is this correct? Because I asked you to memorize them. So if you should know that NO3 minus, SO4 2 minus. Okay? And which one? Carbonate 2 minus.
There needs to be 2 at the...
What do you call this?
Those are the things, the carbonates.
Macro ions. You have to read, man. If you're interested in chemistry, you must read. You must go over the video. Go over the video many times. Then it sticks in your mind. We have done this before. This is a macro ions. Or compound ions. These are their valences. So if they act with the group 1 metal, they exchange the valences. So if sulfate is S minus, 2 minus, and sodium is 1 plus sodium. So what will the sodium sulfate look like?
Sodium should have 2 at the bottom.
That's right. It should be sodium with 2 and then the sulfate ion. This is what I want you to know. Okay? You have to go over the videos one by one, okay? Go over the videos many times, then these things will stick in. We have done macro ions, all of them. NO2, SO2, SO3, SO4, PO3. We have done all of them. PO4, yes? Yeah, PO4. PO4, what minus here?
3 minus 3 minus.
No. 5 minus.
5 minus.
Yeah. You should try to know that one. Okay? So this is the periodic table, the first group, which is group 1. And these are the characteristics. We do the physical as well as the chemical characteristics. The next thing we are going to do group 2, which is very similar to group 1. They do all those reactions. Okay? But less vigorously. Okay? This is very long. So subhanallah bihamdi subhanallah jazim sallallahu alayhi wa sallam astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Okay?